So today I'm showing you how to make your custom filters and add them inside the Nuke. So like go to Finder, I'm taking one image, like go to desktop and fine. I got this image and first go to your edit and project settings. Shortcut is S. So just set to HD like this. So again add a reformat to this to get the format right. So we got this HD and now it's fine. But if you see in the image we only have RGBA, but the alpha channel is missing. If you hit A to view the alpha channel, it's black. So just add a shuffle to this, add tap and shuffle, connect this and make your alpha channel to white like this. See, we got the additional channel, that is the alpha channel on this. Now it's good to go. So what we are doing right now, we are adding a sharpness to this image. For that I'm showing one very cool trick. So add a blur, either you get it from here or hit tab and write blur. So just connect your blur to this. So if I increase the value, image is getting blur, which is, it should be like this because we are increasing the blur. But what I want to increase the sharpness in this image. So like before this, what I want to add a merge. So connect your B pipe to this to blur and E pipe to reformat, and with the help of control you can get this dots and hit 1. Then go to operations, make it a minus operation. So now we don't have any values because we got the same values in blur and reformat because the blur is 0 right now. So if I view the minus and increase the value of blur, we are getting some details on this like this. Fine, like on this. So take a constant, so open RGB values and hit 0.5, 0.5, sorry, 0.5, 0.5 to each channel like this. Again take a merge, M is a shortcut for that. Just connect your A to this minus, B to this constant, now plus. And if you see, we got some information on grid background like this. Again take a merge, connect your B pipe to this and A pipe to your image like this. If I hit 1, it's nothing but go to operations and make it overlay like this. So if you notice, something got changed. This is my image like this. See, we are getting some sharpness on this image. If I see like this, these areas are quite soft, but if I hit 1, you see, got the highlights, good highlights. So now whenever I increase the value of blur, my sharpness get increased like this. Fine. So keeping this aside, what I want, I can use this as a gizmo. So select all this, apart this, select all this and hit Command G for the group. See, we got one group on this. So now we got this, but every time I need to change the value of sharpness, I need to go inside the group with this S sign, click and give the values or play around and come back to my node panel. So what I want to add a slider on the group panel like on this. So in the property panels I'm making a node 2 because we want to see 2 nodes on this property panel. One is group and second is blur. like this. So right click on this group and go to manage user nodes, go to add floating slider and write sharp. Copy this, and minimum value should be 0, maximum we can put around 100 and it's done. So now if I go to my node panel, if I increase the values, there is no result because this is not connected to anything, right? So make it 0, hit command on sharpness and send it to the blur values. So now make it 1. So on this group panel, like we can name it to the sharp. So now whenever I increase the values, it is directly connected to the blur values. Like if you see this E icon, this depicts like there is expression in between. So we connected this. If I hit blur, we're getting the same value what we have in the sharpen node. Fine. So like you can export this gizmo. Go to export gizmo. Like I'm going home, desktop, sharp, and export. Clear. So accidentally if I delete this, and next time I want to use this, so I can go to my files, import script, go to desktop, sharpen gizmo, and so simply connect this, and you can view one and play around with the value. But every time I have to import the script, so not it's a desktop, but sometimes I used to put my files in a folder. So every time I have to go to import files, import. So it's a lengthy process. So I want this gizmo to be added on the Nuke toolbar. So go to the finder. So I got one sharpen icon like a PNG image. You can create your own icons. So go to Mac or the user you are using and go to .nuke files. It's a hidden folder. You have to unhide this. Okay. So double click on this. So you got this. I'm already created some custom tools on this. So go to menu.py. Just open this like this and copy your sharpen icon in this folder like this. Finder. Okay. Sorry. Open with text editor like this. So this is a script, like let me make it like bigger font so you can see it. So this is a script used to add toolbar inside the Nuke. So select this, Control C, paste, and like just enter to this, Command C, and again one thing more, you need to add, copy or sharpen gizmo to this, like this. Fine. So just rename, like add menu, what you need to add. So just add sharp, and this is the icon, Command V, like this icon name, and this gizmo. So use command again, sharp, and again to this, sharp, again paste it, icon. So whatever name you are given to this images, like to this icon or this gizmo, you need to add on this like this. Fine. Just save this, cancel, and again you can simply restart your Nuke. So I'm quitting it once, like no, I don't want to save that. So just open it again. This. So just drag your image again, once again, like go to desktop, like you have two images with the different formats, like something around 3426 and this one is around 2592, and just set your project to HD. We did in previous Nuke script, and if you notice we got one sharpen icon on this, so just click on this, got on this and click this. See, you got the tool, just connect this, and if you hit 1 on this, you see we already got this HD, because in this gizmo we already added a node called reformat, so we need not to set the format again and again for the images. Like you can select this and hit C. So whenever you increase the values, we are getting some sharpness like this. So if you hit compare the before and after, see it's a quite flat area, but see getting some nice highlights on this and even on this image like this. See, and even you can compare this node with the sharpness inside the Nuke. So hit tab and see you're getting this tool inside tab panel also. See, sharp. So just connect this, and if you increase the size, see you increase the values in the darker area, but in our sharpen it's quite soft in the dark area. We're not losing any details in the dark areas. See, so you can play around, you can make a lot of tools inside Nuke and add them to the toolbar. So do try it. Okay, thank you.